how you can make money online with no money needed, no website, no advertising, perfect for beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how. My name is Becker. If you're new to this channel, go ahead and subscribe. This channel is all about bringing you the no BS content on how you can make money online. So without further ado, let's dive into today's training and get started. So the very first thing you need to understand is when you're making money online, there's a bunch of different methods. There's affiliate marketing, there's drop shipping, there's Amazon FBA, there's all kinds of options. However, a lot of business models require capital. So in today's training, we're going to talk about affiliate marketing and how you could actually use affiliate marketing with no money whatsoever. And for those of you who don't know what affiliate marketing is essentially promoting somebody else's product, goods, or software to the audience that may want it and just collecting a commission. You don't have to do any customer service. You don't have to build the product. You don't have to do any manufacturing or logistics issues. You don't have to actually fulfill any orders. All you have to do is drive traffic. So let's take a look here. And in today's training, we're going to go over a 5-step process for you to start making money with absolutely no money. So the very first thing you're going to want to do is open up a ClickBank account. Once you set your ClickBank account up and you're in your dashboard, there will be a spot for you to go to what is known as the marketplace. Once you arrive at the marketplace, this is where you will get to. So this brings me back to our 5-step process. For step number 1, you have to pick a niche and find a product. So the top 3 niches in the industry are going to be health, wealth, and relationships. So for today's video and the content of this video training today, we're going to stick with wealth. And then you have to find your product. Over here is your ClickBank account, which we just talked about. This is where you can find products to source and be an affiliate for. So we're in the marketplace. If we scroll down on the left-hand side, you can see there's all kinds of stuff over here. Green products, health and fitness, home and garden, language, mobile parent. So like I said, we're going to stick in the health-related industry. So we're going to click health and fitness. And again, affiliate marketing, all we're doing is promoting somebody else's link. And the way we're going to do that is by getting what is known as an affiliate link, which is a URL with an affiliate ID attached to it. So let's look in here, health and fitness. As you can see, average conversions right here for this one product called Proven is $153.86. That is the average price per conversion that you will collect as an affiliate if they sell this. Research, 114, 108. So what you would do to get started is first you would want to look at the product. So if you just click the title of the product, it will open it up in a new tab. This is essentially what your audience will be getting. So take a look at what it is. We can see this as a dietary supplement. And this is how you would get commissions because it's a reoccurring one, obviously, for 90-day supply, 180-day supply. So the more they buy, the more beneficial it is for you. But you just want to know what it is your customers are getting. And then you would want to obviously compare multiple products and see what you want to promote. But let's say that is what we want to promote. Actually, let's look at this first one, Proven. I have no idea. It's going to show you a video and stuff. I don't want to watch this. So we'll stick with the research like we just looked at. So now you're going to want to promote this product. And like I was just talking about, let me drag this over here. You're going to want to get, so here it's your affiliate ID or your affiliate URL. They call it a hop link on ClickBanks. So this will be your affiliate link. So right here, you can earn 75% commission for every customer you refer to this product. Get started now by creating a hop link. You can have tracking IDs but just do this, hit generate hop link. This is going to be your affiliate ID. This will be cookied to you. So if any time in the process of you putting this link out there on the interweb, if somebody clicks it, it will track back to you in your affiliate ID based off of the hop link that is generated. It's specific to you and your account as it's under my account. So you hit copy and you copy the URL. So what you're going to have to do now, X out of there. Once you copy your URL, you're going to have to move to step number 2. And that is going to be create a Linktree account. And for those of you who don't know what a Linktree account is, it's a place for you to host. It's a website pretty much for you to host your websites. So let's take a look. I'll show you exactly what it is. This is what it's going to look like at first. And the reason we do this, so a lot of people they say that you get blocked for, you do get blocked. You get blocked for running ads directly to an affiliate link. You get blocked for posting content, even if it's not an advertisement, directly to an affiliate link. Sometimes you don't, sometimes you do. So there's no point in taking the chance when you could literally just build a Linktree account, put multiple links in it, and then obviously the customer will be able to get their own. They'll be able to pick and choose the links based off of why they were there. I don't recommend you put too many, and we'll talk about that later in the video. But for the sake of this video, right here, you'll go to Linktree. You'll click add a new link. Super simple to use. And by the way, this is a dummy account, but it shows you there's two accounts that you can set up. There's a pro account, which is $6, and there's a free account. Just do the free account. You don't need the pro account. Sign up absolutely free. It's linktr.ee. And then just come in here, set it up, and hit add new link. Enter title. We're going to say weight loss supplement. Obviously, you're going to want to make it more enticing than that because that's actually what the audience is going to see. Then you'll hit URL and you'll paste your affiliate link right there. And then once you hit enter or click off of it, you'll see it populates on the right. And this is really just a 3D. This is just a mock-up of what it would look like on a phone. So you could change your image and everything out. But let's go back over to the marketplace and let's just look at Steel Bite Pro. I don't know what it is. It's another video. You can't see what it is until you watch the video. Let's click left. Oh, move. I don't want to view that one. I want to click. Oh, you can't see that one either. Whatever. Let's just click any of them. We'll click Steel Bite Pro. We'll hit promote. We'll drag this back down. And we're going to hit, these are different landing pages. The default landing page, you can preview it. It's going to show what the landing pages that your audience will land on. Live video sales letter. So it's just different types. So just hit generate hop link. You can preview them there, see which one feels like it resonates most with you and your audience if you already have one, but for the sake of this video, you don't. You're going to hit generate. You're going to copy this hop link. You're going to exit off of here, go back to Linktree, and Steel Bites. Have no idea what it is. Obviously make it better than that. And paste it in there. I just want to show you what it looks like when you have more than one. Boom. So now you have two links. So now that you've found products, you've set up your ClickBank, you found products that you want to promote, you know what niche you want to stay in, well, and you set up your Linktree. Now we're going to have to go over here to step 3. Woo, you guys got a sneak peek. Step 3 is find royalty-free videos related to the niche you are in. And this is if you don't want to be in videos, you don't want to be on camera, you want to be able to do this completely behind the scenes. And to find these royalty-free videos, you'll want to hop over here to a website called Pexels, PEXELS.com. And royalty-free videos means they're out there for you to use, and you can legally use these videos without any repercussion to you. So what you're going to want to do is click videos. And the reason we're choosing videos is because right now it's the easiest form of engagement, I guess you could say. It gets the most traction, they go viral. It just helps you get seen a lot faster, especially with the platform we're going to talk about doing this on. So search for free videos. We'll just type in something like health, fitness, whatever the niche may be. We see lady doing yoga, people doing running. What you do, just find something that resonates with your product and you're going to want to download it. So just click the download button on any of these, this little button right here. And you can see it downloaded right there. Immediately downloaded. So we now have our products and our video. The next thing we're going to want to do is generate traffic using free platforms. The best platform for you to do this on right now is going to be Pinterest. So what you're going to want to do is come over to Pinterest. you're going to want to create a business account on Pinterest, which you just do after you create a regular account, then create a business account. And the reason you're creating a business account is because they recently released the opportunity, the ability to upload videos. So this is like a game changer. This allows, because the videos are ranking so fast on Pinterest, especially with being new and emerging, there's not as many content, there's not as much content or as many creators out there already uploading videos. So it's not as competitive, I would say, and you're more likely to be seen. Obviously, this is not something that's going to happen overnight, but as you grow traction and build, then it will grow with you. And the good thing about Pinterest is you get to directly link your links, whether it be your link tree or your affiliate links, into your pins. And like I said, I do recommend using the link tree to get started, because the fact sometimes your other links will get blocked. Not always, but sometimes. And then in the future, I highly recommend getting a blog to where you set up a blog and you put the link to your blog in them, where you actually provide real free value and free videos and trainings in the blog, enticing them to further purchase, and also build your email list. But let's just go ahead and take a look at this. I'm going to grab that video that we just downloaded. I'm going to drag and drop it just like that. Now you have this video right here. So after you create your business account, you're going to want to click create a pin, and then it'll bring you to this page, and you'll want to put your video in there. And then you're going to want to add a title, and you're going to want to use keywords like top weight loss supplement, top weight loss supplement in 2020 while on a diet. So as you can see that we use weight loss, we use in 2020, we used on a diet. Those are all keywords, very good keywords for what people would actively be searching. Then you're going to want to tell everyone what your pin is about. And this is going to be a 500 word. You have up to 500 words. I highly recommend using all of them, because that is what's going to allow people to search, because there are also keyword searches. So as people search for any relevant content or any content relevant to your post is more likely to pull up. So I'm not going to type that all out. You get the point of that. Make sure you use a lot of good keywords. If you need to find keywords, you could go to Keyword Planner, Google Keyword Planner. Just Google that, and then you could type in a keyword, and it'll give you a lot of relevant keywords. Same goes for tags. That's also a good way to find tags. But you could just go in here and type like health, because we're in the health and fitness. Health care. I wouldn't say health care. Fitness, sports, fitness, exercise, weight loss. I don't know how to spell exercise. We'll just go with weight loss. Health, weight loss, and stuff. And then you just add as many tags as you can right here. And then right here, you're going to want to add a destination link. So let's hop back over here to Linktree. And as you see here, my Linktree is right here. So you just click share, copy my Linktree URL, pop back over to your Pinterest and paste it. And then you can publish immediately or publish at a later date, set it to publish at a later date. And ultimately you hit publish, and it will be on your board. And then your link will also be right there on your board, and people can directly click the link. It'll bring them to your Linktree account. And at any given time, when they click a link inside of your Linktree and proceed to purchase, then you will collect a commission. You don't have to do anything. You don't have to pay for any ads. You don't have to do anything like that. So let's hop back over here and look at this 5th step of our process, and that is going to be to automate and scale your business. And the way we're going to automate and scale the business is we are going to go over here to Tailwind. And what Tailwind does, it allows you to schedule all of your posts, and see, you stop guessing, start growing on Instagram. The best, and they use it for Pinterest. Powerful Pinterest scheduling, go low. So what it really does is it allows you to, in advance, create all of your posts to further send them out over the next week, over the next 2 weeks, over the next month. So let's say you take a day out of the week. Every Sunday you go in here and you build this out to where it is set to automate for the rest of the week. So every week, Monday through Saturday, all your posts, you 3 posts a day, You can set them up in here. They will all post at the times you specifically say. They'll all have your Linktree account in them, and they'll all redirect people to your affiliate links to where you'll eventually collect a commission. And the longer you're in this business and the more you do it, the more affiliate, the better you get at it. Obviously, you'll be able to scale. And scaling comes with data. And the more data you have, you'll know how to scale, because you'll be able to see how many times people clicked on your links or whatever, how many videos did you have to put out, how long did it take. And once you can break down everything of how long and how much work you had to put in to get XYZ, then you'll know, okay, well, if I double down here, I'll make double over here. So this is not a get rich quick overnight scheme. It is a long-term business plan, but it can be very lucrative if you keep it up. And like I said, eventually move from Linktree, build your own blog, build your own presence somewhere, whether it be on YouTube or something, direct people there, get an email list going, and what have you. So if you liked this video, make sure you like the video below. Subscribe if you have not already. I don't know why you wouldn't have, because we just dropped a lot of value. And also, if you want to be able to see any of the future content that we release on how you can do this and build your own websites, build your own blogs, and actually move over to the more high-ticket affiliate programs. And then that being said, also in the description below, I will leave a link to my absolute favorite program. It's a high-ticket affiliate program to get you paid high-ticket commissions. We're talking $1,000, $2,000 per sell instead of like 10, 20, or 50. So check that out. That's in the description below, and we'll see you in the next one.